very good evening, Brother Justice Sanjeev Khanna and Brother Justice Bhushan Gavai, all my esteemed brother and sister judges of the Supreme Court of India, Honorable Shri Manohar Lal, Minister of Housing and Urban Development, Honorable Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal, Minister of State for Law and Justice, Shri R. Venkatramani, Learned Attorney General for India, Shri Tushar Mehta, Learned Solicitor General, all the law officers present here, Shri Kapil Sibal, President of the Supreme Court Bar Association, Shri Manan Kumar Mishra, President of the Chairperson of the Bar Council of India, Shri Vipin Nair, President of the Supreme Court Advocates and Record Association, all the senior and other members of the bar, and everyone present here. I am truly privileged to stand before you today for the groundbreaking ceremony for the expansion of the Supreme Court of India. This event is not only a symbol of growth, but also a testament to the evolving journey of justice in our country. The Supreme Court building, as many of you know, is inspired by the scales of justice, with the central wing symbolizing the beam, the two wings representing the balance, and the semicircular hooks at the ends representing the pans of the scale. This vision behind the architectural marvel that our existing building has stood the test of time. The evolution of this structure mirrors the evolution of our society from a post-independence nation to a global leader in upholding the rule of law. Today we lay the cornerstone for the future of our justice system, a future that promises progress, accessibility, and modernity. As the nation evolves, so do the challenges that our legal system faces. The expansion of the court is designed to accommodate the increasing caseloads, new judicial benches, and the requirements of our judges, lawyers, and citizens. The expansion is not just about increasing physical space. It is about building capacity for justice. While the original structure will remain intact, the subsequent additions to the complex will make way for the new state-of-the-art facilities. The new structure, spread over 86,500 square meters of built-up area, will be constructed in two phases. Phase 1, which is being initiated today, will be completed within 29 months. It will cover approximately 38,250 square meters and consist of 2 basements and a 5-story building. The ground floor will be dedicated to lawyers' utility spaces, including a library, a canteen with a large seating space for members of the bar, and offices for the Supreme Court Bar Association and the Supreme Court Advocates and Record Association. The upper floors will accommodate courtrooms, court offices, and the chambers. By the time we complete Phase 2, which will span an additional 48,250 square meters over 3- and 4-story blocks, the Supreme Court will have gained an additional 29 courtrooms, new judges' chambers, and dedicated spaces for lawyers and our own registry staff. Notably, the Constitutional Court, with its 17-judge bench seating, will be placed on the 5th floor of the new structure. These additions reflect the commitment of our judiciary to remain dynamic, relevant, and responsive to the increased complexity of cases that we face today. We are not just adding space, we are expanding our capabilities to deliver justice in a timely and dignified manner. These buildings will be environmentally conscious, achieving the GREHA and B 5-star rating. GREHA stands for Green Rating for Integrated Habitat Assessment, and of course the B5 rating is of the Bureau of Energy Efficiency. We have deployed sustainable site planning and aim to achieve energy efficiency and renewable energy integration, waste and water management, control of indoor quality and comfort. The expanded space shall source local and sustainable materials, increase green landscape, and achieve efficiency of light, electricity, and transport. It is pivotal that the apex structure of our justice system embodies the spirit of sustainability and ecocentrism in our structures. The expansion building of the Supreme Court will be fully accessible incorporating features that are friendly to individuals with physical disabilities. The building allows universal design principles to ensure accessibility. It will have automatic doors, ramps, lifts, adequate signage for navigation, and clearly defined routes for emergency evacuations. Persons with disabilities will find adjustable furniture, designated seating areas in the courtrooms and public spaces, as well as accessible restrooms and parking facilities. With this expansion, we are not just adding rooms or court spaces. We are creating an environment that upholds the dignity of the people who visit the court and manifests the hallowed grounds that have upheld and advanced the intricately woven threads of justice in the tapestry of our constitutional spirit. We are cultivating a culture of upholding the law and enhancing the efficiency of the judiciary. The facilities will be equipped with state-of-the-art technology and infrastructure, allowing for seamless case management, accessibility, and the incorporation of modern tools to support the work of the court. With an increased capacity to host more lawyers, judges, and staff, we are also creating a space that fosters collaboration and learning, key aspects of any thriving judicial system. In preparing the design, I must compliment the Building Committee of the Supreme Court of India, consisting of my own distinguished colleagues, who have actively collaborated with all stakeholders, including the members of the bar. We received some excellent suggestions from the committees, the executive committees of the bar, both present and past, which have enabled us to improve the design elements. As we move forward with this expansion, we are not just adding brick and mortar to an existing structure. We are contributing to the lasting legacy of the Supreme Court of India. This building will stand as a testament to our commitment to justice, fairness, and progress. This expansion, much like our Constitution itself, is designed to serve as a living, breathing entity, adapting to the needs of our society while holding firm to its core values of justice, liberty, and equality. Today's event signifies not just the physical growth of our institution, but also the broader mandate of ensuring that justice is accessible, efficient, and ever responsive to the needs of the nation. I thank everyone who has played a part in bringing this project to this stage. The expansion of the Supreme Court is more than just a construction project. It is a reflection of our collective commitment to the ideals of justice and the rule of law. I look forward to seeing this project come to life and to witnessing the positive impact it will have on our legal system. A project of this magnitude requires the expertise and dedication of various stakeholders. I would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge the tireless efforts of the team from the Supreme Court Project cum Maintenance Circle, led of the CPWD, led by Mr. Purnesh Kumar, the Superintending Engineer cum Project Director. This team has worked diligently from preparing layout plans and conceptual drawings to finalizing estimates and ensuring that every aspect of the project is designed to meet the highest standards. I would also like to express our deepest appreciation to the Department of Justice and the Finance Department of the Union of India, as well as to the Ministry of Urban Affairs, for their unwavering support and cooperation. Their vision and foresight have helped create the foundation upon which this expansion rests, and their dedication ensures that the future of justice in our country is secure. Before I conclude, I would like to express my heartfelt appreciation to the dedicated officers of the Central Public Works Department, the CPWD. Their exceptional professionalism and unwavering commitment has been instrumental throughout the project of expansion for the Supreme Court of India. And I would like to acknowledge all of them and request each one of them, as I call out their names, to come onto the stage. I'd like to acknowledge Shri Purnesh Kumar, Project Director of the Supreme Court Circle. Purnesh, please come forth. Shri A.K. Grover, Senior Architect. Shri Manohar Lal, Executive Engineer, Civil. Shri Mayank Saxena, Executive Engineer, Civil. Shri Pritesh Shukla, Executive Engineer, Electrical. And Ms. Nidhi Gupta, Architect. Above all, I would like to recognize the tireless efforts to our one-man army in the Supreme Court, Mr. Mahesh Patrankar, Registrar Building and Construction, who is always present for every challenge. Their tireless efforts in preparing of plans, presentations, project estimates, detailed EPC, tenders, and much more have ensured that every aspect has been carried out with the utmost precision. I thank you all and look forward to your continued cooperation. Namaskar, thank you very much.